is how I like to feel.
Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cool cloud fluffy slime. I'm not quite sure what it is, with just 3 simple ingredients. So yeah, let's get into the video. So here's everything that you're going to need. You're going to need a bowl of water, well, hot water. It works best with hot water. And then obviously a little bowl. Then Model Magic clay. I just have plain white stuff that I picked up at Dollar Tree or Family Dollar. And then I have Nivea lotion, essentially enriched. And yeah, so first what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take a bowl of water and you're going to open up your Model Magic. Let's see if I can get this open. Okay, I'm gonna go call him. Okay, so here those are. Here's these. Here those are. Here those are. Okay, so I just cut my Model Magic open. I'm just gonna use the whole block. You don't have to use it all, but you're just gonna kind of stretch it, and then you're just gonna pop it into here. Ooh, okay. And then you're just kind of doing this to get the clay softer. That water looks gross. I'm not going to color mine because I don't really want to use food coloring because it kind of gets everywhere. Just going to drop it back in there and push it down. You're just going to keep playing with it and kneading it until it gets softer. So probably stays about good here. So let's go on to the next step. So next what you're going to do is you're going to take your Model Magic and you are going to, I usually just flatten mine out, and then you add in your, dripping here. Sorry about the moving of the camera. I'm trying to, okay. So then you just flatten it out and you put in lotion. And you pretty much just keep kneading the lotion into the Model Magic. Oops. There goes some lotion. I love this stuff, how it feels. It's like butter slime, but not. I don't know how to explain it. I'm just gonna pick up some of the lotion that I've gotten everywhere. And this process takes a little bit, so I'll be back with you guys once I'm done getting it to the texture I want. So like what I'm doing, you just pretty much do this process over and over until, like I said, you get it to how you want it to be. And yeah, so I'll see you in a couple minutes. So guys, it's just not getting much softer. I mean, it is, but I want to see if I pop it back in the water for a little, like, because I'm wondering if I didn't leave it in there for long enough. So yeah, it is softening out, so I'm just gonna. Okay, yeah, that's definitely working. So later on, I'm gonna do a little bit of experiment, and I'm gonna try putting shaving cream in this and seeing if it makes it like fluffy slime. So yeah, it's definitely getting a lot softer. It's like melts in my hands. Look at that. have much poke because it's not super sticky. So I really think I like this how it is. It's like butter slime. It's really cool. I think I might take a yellow marker and try to make it yellow. Because last time I made this, I took a purple marker and I did that. Well, actually, it was a blue Expo and a red Expo, but yeah. I made like a really cool, I don't know what color, it was like a pink and purple. It was really cool. So yeah, I'll be back in a couple minutes, and bye. So guys, I finally finished it. It's not exactly the butter color I was going for, but it's kind of yellowish. So now I'm gonna try to see what happens if I put shaving cream in. So let's just take a little chunk of this, put the rest of it in there, and I'll be back in a second once I get my shaving cream. Okay, so I have my shaving cream and slime here. So I'm just gonna add a little bit into here and just see what happens. I'm not quite sure if it's how exactly it's gonna turn out, but this does not look very good. Ah, it's like stringing apart. I just wanted to see if this would work. It kind of got it really sticky. Good. By the way, guys, whenever slime fails, I just throw it away usually, like most slime viewers do. I don't try to waste time fixing it unless it's like the last of the glue bottle and that's all I have. So it is kind of fluffy, but I don't know, it's just sticky. It's like a little bit too melty almost. I know you guys probably don't think that's possible, but it is. At least for me. So yeah guys, if you're new, make sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends if you haven't, and tell them to go and like and subscribe, because why wouldn't you want to be part of my family? Sorry about the background noise, my mom just started to. It's fine though. I mean, it's food. I would deal with background noise if it's my food. So yeah, I'm doing this, and if it starts getting too hard, if you don't like it, then you can add more lotion or put in more water. But do not put in more water. Like, do not put, well, I could totally just contradict myself. Do not put in too much water. Ew, let's see what is going on here. This is gross. And I know, guys, 30 subscribers is not a huge amount compared to most YouTubers, but it is for me, because yes, I know my channel's been going for like 2 months now, but I'm just super happy about it. So thank you guys for that. I think once we reach 50 subscribers, I'm going to do like a squishy giveaway or some sort of giveaway. So yeah, make sure to tell all your friends so that way you guys have a chance to enter and yeah, win some squishes. So this is the end of my, see what I mean? It doesn't have much poke, but boy does it get a nice swirl going here. Hold on, let's see if I can. Ugh, falling too fast. Heh. Okay guys, make sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Yeah, bye guys.